Hello students, today we are going to discuss nervous tissue. As per the explanation, it's a chotu topic, but as per the importance, it's a very important tissue. Nervous tissue is made up of a cell that is known as neuron, and nervous tissue is responsible for, they are very specialized tissue, and they are responsible for conduction of impulses. They are responsible for the transmission of messages from one end of the body to another end of the body. Now we have to discuss that what is the structure of nervous tissue. Nervous tissue is made up of neuron, and neuron consists of two parts, cyton, axon, okay, mainly. And cyton is a central part. This is the nucleus, and nucleus is surrounded by, these are the dendrons, and dendrons is nothing, this is the cytoplasm, and dendron is the extension of the cytoplasm. Like जैसे कहीं भी हमसे पानी गिर जाता है, पानी से ऐसे ऐसे आगे बह जाता है, in the same way this is the cytoplasm, so that extend and form dendrites, and this is a long fiber, and this long fiber is known as axon, and at the end we have a axon ending, we have its detailed structure in 10th standard, so that we will discuss in 10th standard only. Okay, this is nucleus, here we have cytoplasm, this is dendron, and dendron further divided into dendrites. This long fiber is axon, and axon is surrounded by a fatty layer, and this fatty layer is myelin sheath. And what is the function of myelin sheath? You have done in 8th standard also. Myelin sheath provide insulation. It does not allow impulse to transmit from this cell to another cell. Okay, so this one is myelin sheath, okay. Moreover, around that there is one more layer, that is a neurilemma, and this neurilemma, it is an additional layer which provide protection, and inside it we have a cell that is called Schwann cell. That's it. That is optional right now. If you do not want to learn in 9th standard, you can skip this point. These Schwann cells help in secretion of myelin sheath. Okay, so this is the structure of nervous tissue, and it consists of cytoplasm. This is the cytoplasm. Inside the cytoplasm there are certain cell organelles, and these cell organelles are present in the form of Mizell's granules. Okay, so a group of specialized cells with highly developed properties of irritability and conductivity. They can conduct any message from one end to another end. That's why nervous tissue is the longest tissue in our body. It could be in the length of 1 meter even. They are fundamental unit of nervous system. They receive stimuli. What is stimuli? Stimuli is something, a change in the environment for which we respond. For example, when teacher enter in your class, the teacher is a stimuli, and you respond, good morning ma'am. That is your response. When you are passing from nearby, that some temple or some like that, so the temple is stimuli and you do like this, that is your response. Okay, so they respond for any of the stimuli. We have two kind of stimuli. One is external stimuli and one is internal stimuli. Right now many of you might feeling hunger. That is an internal stimuli, and you went in a kitchen and you pick something and grab it, and I mean कुछ खाते हैं. might be any of you is feeling some kind of pain, that is a internal stimuli. But if you are feeling hot, that is a internal stimuli, sorry, external stimuli. यदि आपको यहाँ गर्मी लग रही है, if you see a bird there and you go out to watch it, that bird is external stimuli. So we have external and internal stimuli, and depends how strong stimuli we have, accordingly we respond also. Nervous tissue response, nervous tissue is divided into two parts. One is the cyton region and one is the axon region. Cyton is the cell body and axon is the long fiber-like structure. Nervous neurons enclosed in a sheath that is known as nerve fiber, and these nerve fiber together combine a nerve. Nerve क्या है? Suppose there is a one pipe. In that pipe, this is a nerve, and inside this nerve there are a bundle of nerve fiber. Okay, and the basic property of nervous tissue is once they damage, they cannot repair, they cannot divide, they cannot form. That is the reason we used to say that we should cover our head with helmet, because if nervous tissue will damage because of any accident, then we cannot repair it. We used to say sar pe mat mariye. Why? Because if someone hit you here and because any reason, if your nerve cells will damage, you cannot repair them. Okay. So my every time mantra is revise, revise and revise. So keep on revising and keep on learning. Till then, goodbye, take care and enjoy. Okay, bye.